Since luxury is a wish everyone has, many try to look rich, though they are really not that rich. Fake it till you make it, they say. However, not gonna lie, it's not very cheap to look rich. Apart from how you dress and how you act, the kind of car you drive can play a role in looking rich. In this video, let's talk about the 7 cheap cars that can help you appear rich on the outside. But first, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to this YouTube channel to stay updated on the latest in the luxury world. At Luxury Mindset, we bring you all luxurious information ranging from items, cars, houses, places, and even people who bathe in luxury. Not only that, but we also give you pretty much the amount you would need to purchase any of these luxurious stuff. So if you're interested in the rich, becoming rich, or even dreaming of lying on a mattress of gold or dollar bills, click the notification bell to keep yourself updated on this channel. Let's start with Jaguar XKR. It's a British luxury car introduced in the late 90s and produced until 2015. It's like an earlier version of the F-Type and shares some features with Aston Martins of that time. The XKR has a 5-liter supercharged V8 engine with over 500 horsepower or more in the performance XKRS. It has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a luxurious leather interior, and a modern 7-inch touchscreen. Although it's not a lightweight racing car, the XKR offers a powerful engine, an exciting exhaust sound, and an attractive exterior design. Surprisingly, you can find used XKR models at budget-friendly prices. Low-mileage ones are around $30,000, and even those with higher mileage often go for less than $20,000. This means you can enjoy luxury and performance without a hefty price tag, making you look affluent without spending a fortune. If you're the type to be out most of the time, consider the Factory 5 Racing 818 for a sporty and distinctive ride. It's built around a versatile Subaru Boxer engine, featuring a factory-type tube kit chassis and a fiberglass body. This results in a lightweight, affordable, and fun-to-drive car. Introduced in 2013 to attract younger car enthusiasts, it weighs just 818 kilograms, about 1,800 pounds. The kit includes a steel frame and a fiberglass body, all made in Massachusetts. You can choose from various versions, including an open-top street edition, a coupe, or the high-performance 818R. Kits start at around $10,000, but the total cost for a finished car, including a used Subaru donor and assembly, could be around $25,000. If you're into adventure, this could be an exciting option for you. Next is the LBSDR. LB Specialist Cars have created a car called the LBSDR, which is a replica inspired by the famous Lancia Stratos from the 70s rally racing era. The original Lancia Stratos was a highly regarded rally car with a hefty price tag today. The LBSDR aims to capture the Stratos' spirit in a more affordable way. The LBSDR has a strong and safe frame design similar to the original Stratos, but with modern safety features. Its body is made of fiberglass and closely resembles the original, allowing the real Stratos parts to fit. You have options for engines, including a cost-effective 2.5-liter Alfa Romeo V6, a Toyota 2GR FE engine, or even a genuine Ferrari V6 like the original. The cost of these replica rally cars varies, with Ferrari engines being more expensive. You can expect to pay between $60,000 to $70,000 for one. It's a bit pricey, but may be worth it for rally enthusiasts. However, keep in mind that the LBSDR might not be practical for everyday driving, and it's approaching the price range of high-performance supercars. If you're into classic luxury, try getting the Maserati Gran Turismo, an Italian luxury car that embodies the prestige of the Maserati brand. It features a powerful V8 engine derived from the Ferrari F430, delivering more than 400 horsepower and an exhilarating 7,000 RPM performance. Over the years, the performance numbers and engine output have varied, but even earlier models can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 5 seconds. The Gran Turismo has a distinctive Italian design with an eye-catching silhouette and an aggressive appearance that's sure to grab attention. Now let's talk about the cost. In the past, a new Gran Turismo could cost well over 6 figures. However, due to depreciation, you can find used Gran Turismos listed for under $30,000. This is quite a deal, considering you get a rare Ferrari V8 engine at such an affordable price. It's worth noting that some people caution against buying a Maserati if you're expecting it to be extremely reliable, as they might consider it a risky choice. However, the allure of owning a car that looks luxurious and offers impressive performance on a budget is hard to resist. If you want to make it more stylish, consider Turismo UK. They specialize in upgrading older sports cars like the MR2. They offer a Porsche Carrera GT-inspired kit called the Avalanche GT for the MR2. It includes body panels and optional extras like a roof scoop and interior upgrades starting at around €5,000. You'll need to provide the MR2 and do the assembly yourself. If you prefer a unique project, you can check out the Blackwell Widow SBR1 designed by Wayne Blackwell in the UK. It's based on a Mazda Miata chassis, making it lightweight and affordable. Its design is influenced by the TVR Sajaris, and it costs about €4,300. Of course, we can't skip quality as well. Try the Toyota MR2, a renowned sports car cherished for its mid-engine, rear-wheel drive configuration, and exceptional handling. It spanned multiple generations. The first generation, AW11 1984 to 1989, was characterized by its compact size, lightweight frame, and iconic pop-up headlights. The second generation, SW20, from 1990 to 1999, introduced a sleeker design and offered turbocharged engine options for added performance. It replaced pop-up headlights with fixed ones. And the third generation, ZZW30, from 1999 to 2007, commonly known as the MR2 Spider, was a compact convertible roadster with a mid-mounted engine, prioritizing an open-top driving experience. The MR2 lineup included various engine choices, manual or automatic transmissions, and consistently delivered a sporty and engaging driving experience. If we talk about affordable luxury, don't shy away from the Corvette. It's a car that can turn heads just like the Ferrari or Lamborghini, but it's much cheaper. While everyone is excited about the new C8 Corvette, some may have missed the older model, the C7. The C7 Corvette has a powerful 6.2-liter V8 engine with 460 horsepower and a classic American look. It has many of the same benefits and stylish appeal as the famous C8, but costs less, especially if you buy it used. This is a great chance to get one for a lower price. Right now, you can find C7 Stingrays for just a little over $40,000. Well, which of these 7 cheap cars would you like to get for yourself? Which one suits your taste the most? Share your preference and further suggestions in the comments, as we'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, please click the notification bell to stay updated with the latest in the luxury world. Only here at Luxury Mindset.